Hey, team blue, team blue, team blue.
Đó, lợi ý.
Group 2, Thai Charlie. Group 3.
That's it? All right, we got the little kids, man. We're going all out for the little kids.
Yeah, they're missing one.
Group 5, Thai Okay, everyone. This is a very difficult decision. But we have 3 judges, and if the judges are still here, I would love to welcome to the stage. But I know that they've been working all day as well. So, các the judges, you know, continue movie. We try to be as fair as possible when it comes to these things. We have judges who sit separately. No one got to see each other's scores or anything like that, okay? And this doesn't mean that you guys, it doesn't mean anything. It just, they have to pick a winner. We've already discussed all of this. Everyone did such a wonderful job. You all look beautiful and great. So, when I announced the when I announced the second runner-up, okay, I would like, I'm trying to figure out how I would organize you guys, but if it's the first runner-up, can you guys walk and just stand over here? If you guys could come around, whoever it might be, I want you guys right here, okay? Okay, guys, because I'm really nervous too, and this is kind of scary for me, because I think everybody did a wonderful job. So the first runner-up is Go Hmong Kai Lee. Everybody give them a round of applause. Oh, you got something right there. Yeah, okay, good. Because I didn't know who it was. Okay, yeah, there's no space. Okay, if they can make sense.
Okay, I know that mấy chân sài cứ xa xuống nào. Giờ này chỉ tao thì là cho xài lịch cả nữa, okay? Bây giờ chơi sẽ chỉ lịch cả gì hết, một trò lịch chơi xài, bây giờ miễn xài đi. Don't get discouraged. We love everything you guys came out to do today. We're really proud of you guys. I'm very proud of you guys. You carry our culture, and I love you guys. To see you guys do much better next year, and hope the best for each one of you guys. You guys look very beautiful, and keep going, okay?
This is the second runner-up, and it's Go Hmong Kai Lee. Everybody, one more time. with the certificate. Team compliment. Okay, and we're gonna get a picture right here. Everyone can look. Thank you so much, and you guys can come over here. The second runner-up, everyone, the moment that you guys are waiting for. I'm sorry, first runner-up. 在巴嘉熙。Okay, we're just gonna get a quick picture. Thank you so much, everyone. And who's the team? Now, everyone, our first place, Alaska Hmong Festival 2026 Dance Competition winner. And I'm gonna let little Johnny right here announce the winner.
Okay, you guys ready for the first place? I can't hear you. Bây giờ thì dàn thầy Charlie. Hello, hello. Vô xe đi nhanh trên trên nào. Congratulations, you guys.
Okay, girls, let's pose for a quick picture.
Okay, rồi bây giờ tôi cần xài trong ta là nó do đi chỉ tao thi là đi trong discussion của hai nơi tôi sẽ practice lý show cái họ đã có gì thế nên mình bắt một xe tôi có chỉ là cho là vẫn luôn người nó cá nhân rồi nó đây là hụt nó đi cho lên cho tụi nó.
These are our dance competition team, everybody. One more time for all of their hard work, really. Okay, so we will let every team come and do one more bow before they head down, okay? And leave everybody who is here with the first, second, and third to stay up. So if you guys didn't get your, if we didn't call your name, if you guys can do a cute little bow for us, or it was for a picture actually. I think this is really cute. So, let the knife take Hey everybody, one more time, let's get a picture. And 1, 2, 3, smile. One more time for these cute little beautiful girls, okay? Give us such a great job. I just want to say thank you so much, okay? Need to go share the name, okay? picture, okay? 1, 2, 3. And then if I can have my 3 groups that are here, please organize yourself. Nicely so we can get a picture, okay?
Go, 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 go.
Okay, one more picture. These are our winners, guys. They worked so hard to make sure that today's festival was beautiful. And I want everyone to give them a round of applause really loud. Thank you guys so much. You guys made our New Year so much better with your beautiful outfits, your dance performance. You guys are the main show. I want you guys to keep continuing what you're doing and don't let anyone stop you, okay? Everyone, once again, while I let them exit the stage, okay?
One day, we come here, get on the stage. What you do, you need to see. You can see the job. You should do it. You need to do it. Sai to come to the picture. No, one day, you need to show. So let's do that. Then the picture, hay là one day show from the bottom of our heart. That come here to go there. 俾住俾你記，俾啲你 culture，攞低啲更多，都俾咗中國人來，我哋在今年上嚟做，從嚟做到做啦。
That's your biggest spot.
All right, girls, you guys are done. Congratulations.